Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse. We've got another in the series of Cries of London made by Adams during the first part of the 20th century. This one is called Knives, Scissors and Razors to Grind, with that characteristic blockwork in hand-coloured detail. Unusual, this is the brown border, as you can see. If we to go in for detail there with the serpents and jars. Some of these were coloured in green and brown, but this one is the plain version. There is one little defect on this plate that we just want to show you. Just a slight little, I think it's a manufacturing fault rather than a straight chip. There's a depression there and then a little ridge that's just caught on the transfer wear. So not an actual post-production damage. Otherwise, just look at the glaze on this one in very nice condition. Just look at that, not a knife mark on it. The period Adams mark on the back, there we go, standard square block Adams scroll mark. And all the measurements for this one are on the website. It's not the large 10 and 5/8 inch dinner plates. This is the 10-inch version. We did make these over a long period of time and in a variety of different sizes. So do check the dimensions if you're looking to replace one, or you've got a set of these already and you want an exact matching diameter dinner plate. Thanks for watching.